Stunning 4-bed apartment. Beautiful sea views from the bedrooms. It was the main bedroom. Let's go to the 3 other bedrooms. Onto the passage. Bedroom 1, ensuite bathroom. Bedroom 2, ensuite bathroom and a garden. Lots of built-in cupboards. Bedroom 3, garden on the outside, ensuite bathroom, and back to the kitchen and the entrance.